We're putting the finishing touches on this custom Longline paint truck headed to WA. Come check it out. This system is built on the Graco RoadPak 2-pump system. We're running 3 guns on the right, 1 gun on the left, and a spotting arm at the very back. We've got a 1,000-litre IBC for paint storage to make it easy to fill up and swap as needed. It's all plumbed into a water tank for flushing, and this is on a tilted IBC stand to make sure that the viscous product always runs towards the pump inlet. In the truck cab, we've got a dual steer. We're running the Skipline system with dual controllers for both the passenger and the driver. This syncs together all of your camera system. We've got cloud software for reporting. We've got all the visibility you need without having to get outside of the truck. We've wired up e-stops and we've got all your starting functions to kick on and off the RoadPak unit as you're driving. We've got a 15-metre retractable hose reel with the stenciling gun on the back of the truck, making it super easy to do all your stencils quickly and save downtime getting it all back together. Duralloy here at Deception Bay has done a fantastic job on the truck body. We've got signboards, got all your beacons, everything you need to be compliant on the roads. Safety is everything. We've got e-stops wired up at every single point of the truck, so at the rear as well as towards the front of the cab. If something goes wrong, bang, you're sweet. Just above the stairs here, you can load up your bead tank with more glass bead. Below, we have a Husky diaphragm pump. This is for your paint transfer to get more paint into your 1,000-litre IBC on the truck. At the back and below the truck body, we've got a custom fabricated spotting arm. This allows either side of the truck to retract out, use that spotting arm, swap it around, giving you the flexibility you need to get the job done. We're excited to get this truck on the road, see how it performs. If you're in need of a Longline paint truck or line marking solution, get in touch with the team at Go Industrial. More than happy to help. This has been entirely custom and we can't wait to do the next one. See you later.